Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In our last videos, we studied about entrepreneur, his characteristics, qualities and functions. In this video, we are going to study about entrepreneurship. So we'll start with the meaning. Entrepreneurship is a process. Keep in mind, entrepreneur is a person, while entrepreneurship is a process of setting up a new business. So in entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs start a new business. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity. It is conducted by individual or group of people and they undertake production and distribution of goods and services to earn the money. So, in short, entrepreneurship is nothing but the business where the production and distribution of goods and services take place to earn the profit. So, entrepreneurship and business are not different, but they are the same. Only in entrepreneurship, we produce something new and innovative. Today, we are going to study the characteristics of entrepreneurship. And for this, the key is OCM is grey. OCM is grey stands for organization building, creative activity, manager skill and leadership, innovation, skillful management, gap filling function, risk bearing, and economic activity. So let us study it one by one. The first characteristics of entrepreneurship is that it is an organization building. Entrepreneurship is nothing but building the new organization. We know that we have to undertake the production, and for production we need the different factors like machinery, material, money and manpower. Who will organize all these factors of production? Of course, entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is nothing but organization of all the factors of production. All these factors of production will be brought or collected under one roof like factory, and there will be the organization building. So we can say that first characteristics of entrepreneurship means building the new organization. See, just like this, the entrepreneur build a new organization. The second characteristics of entrepreneurship is creative activity. Entrepreneurship is the creative activity. You know that we have to innovate something new. We have to innovate the new product, and for this innovation we need the creativity. An entrepreneur has to show the creativity in producing the new product, and of course creativity is a big challenge for the entrepreneur. Every time he has to provide something new to the consumers. Creativity is very essential part of the entrepreneurship. If creativity is not there, then it becomes a normal business. But if there is the creativity, then it becomes the entrepreneurship. See, every time we have to provide something new to the consumers, new product, new features in the existing product, or some offers, discounts, something new we have to provide. And if we are providing something new, then only we can have the stable business. So, in this way, the role of creativity in entrepreneurship is very, very important. The third characteristics of entrepreneurship is the manager skill and leadership. Leadership and manager skill are very important factors of the entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur must have leadership and manager skill. See, other skills will be considered secondary, but leadership and manager skills are very, very important. The entrepreneur must have ability to lead and manage the others. Under the management skill, we can talk about planning, team building, delegation of work, leading the others, and time management. So, all these things will come under the management skill. The fourth characteristics of entrepreneurship is the innovation. Just we talked about creativity. Creativity means creating something new, while innovation means introduction of new technology in production. Entrepreneurship is nothing but the innovation. Entrepreneurship must focus on the research and development, and they must produce the goods which will satisfy the consumers' needs. So every time there must be some kind of innovation or research and development must be going on. So this is the fourth characteristics of entrepreneurship. See, this is the creativity. We have to come up with new ideas and we have to bring the innovation in the market. The fifth characteristics is the skillful management. Under the entrepreneurship, we must have the team of skillful management. Whatever CEOs, managers, HODs are there in the organization must be professional and skillful. They will help the entrepreneur to run the business successfully. So the success of the enterprise is depend on the management of the organization. And if there is the professional and skillful managers, then of course entrepreneurship will become the successful activity. See, he must be having the good managers who will do all the task. They will take care of the planning, they will take the decision, and they will conduct the business along with the entrepreneurs. So he need the skillful managers to run his day-to-day business. The next characteristics is the gap filling function. Now what is this gap filling function? It is a very important feature of the entrepreneurship. You know that entrepreneur's job is to fill the gap. That means to cover the deficiencies in the market. For example, suppose there is need of certain product in the market, but no one is demanding. So the entrepreneur has to recognize this need and he has to produce that product and provide it. That is called as the gap filling function. For example, in city area, mostly the women are working. So they are very busy with their career and house. At that time, they were not realizing, but entrepreneurs understood the need of ready-made flour and they provide ready-made chakki atta. So this was nothing but the gap filling function. There will be certain demands in the market which will not be told by the consumers, but an entrepreneur has to identify them and they have to start producing that product and they have to cover these deficiencies in the market. So in this way, they have to supply required product to the consumers. I will give you the example of cotton. We need the shirt and there is the cotton. So they have to make shirt out of the cotton. And when they make the shirt out of the cotton, actually they are filling the gap. See, there will be the cotton, cloth will be created, it will be stitched, it will be color, it will be shipped, and then we will get the shirt. So this is called as the gap filling function. Risk bearing. We know that business is very risky and there is lot of uncertainty in the business. Certain risks cannot be insurable. We cannot take the insurance for certain risks and those are incalculable. We cannot calculate them. So the entrepreneur is the agent who buys all the factors of production at a certain price. Then he combine them and he make a product and then he sell the product at the uncertain prices in the future. So that is called as the risk bearing. Entrepreneur is collecting all the factors of production, he is paying for that and then he is producing the product and he doesn't know whether there is the demand for that product and at what price he could sell the product. This is called as the risk bearing. So the entrepreneurship is always risk bearing and they have to take the risk. Then only they will be rewarded by the profit. So the entrepreneurship is always walking on the rope. They have to take the risk and they have to walk in the business. The last characteristic is the economic activity. Entrepreneurship is related to earning money in the form of profit. They have to satisfy the human wants and then they will earn the profit. So, whenever the activity is related to money, it is called as the economic activity. So, of course, entrepreneurship is an economic activity because it is a systematically planned activity and an entrepreneur uses his skills and knowledge. So, it will be called as the economic activity. So, this is the last characteristics of entrepreneurship. Here we can take the example. See, he collect all the factors of production, he produce something, then he distribute it into the market, and when he distribute it into the market, he get money in the form of profit. So that is called as the economic activity. So in this video, we studied the characteristics of entrepreneurship. The first one was organization building, creative activity, manager skill and leadership of entrepreneur, innovation, skillful management under the entrepreneur, gap filling function, risk bearing and economic activity. Hope you understood it. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. If you have any suggestion and how would you like the video, that also you can mention in comment box. Thank you. Take care.